From the last session, we know that there are different genres of academic writing. But for all types of writing based on the research, we follow similar steps. There are usually 6 steps of writing a research paper. First, we need to select a topic. The second step is to collect and evaluate data. After the preparation of the data, draw up an outline. An outline is a guide to writing, giving us a clear picture of the relationship among ideas in a paper. Based on the outline, we may produce the first draft of the paper. Although the title and abstract always appear at the beginning of the paper, they should be written after the entire paper is done, so as to cover all the necessary information regarding the research. The last step is to revise and edit the paper. All of these 6 steps are essential to academic writing. Among them, the first step, topic selection, is of great importance. A good beginning is half done. So is a research paper. However, topic selection has become a major obstacle for many students to start their writing. Then, how to choose a topic? Let's look at 4 methods of topic selection. We start by choosing a research topic that interests us and brainstorm ideas that come into our minds with regard to our research. We may consult our professors or an expert. And we can read books and academic journals. Ask ourselves after reading a book or a paper, is there a way to expand upon this existing research? Is there a way to approach the research in a different way? Is there a way to apply the same techniques to a different subject? In academic writing, originality is crucial, but it is hard to be totally original. We may combine the pre-existing elements of the research in an original way, or try to take existing research further. 也就是说，我们可以用新方法研究老问题，或者是对现在的问题进行进一步深入研究。The fourth method is to attend academic conferences and lectures. Those conferences and lectures may inform us of the latest academic development and provide us with inspirations about the topic. Then, what is a good topic? A good topic must meet certain criteria. It is valuable. It should be of research value, of interest to other scholars in the field, and meet the needs of certain community. A good topic is scientific. It means that scientific methods are applied in conducting the research. A good topic is original. 研究选题要有独创性，这很重要 because originality is the soul of scientific research. A good topic should be feasible. 要注意选题的可行性。When choosing a topic, we need to take certain things into consideration, such as our professional interests, our previous experiences of the research, and conditions for the research. Now, let's compare the 2 topics. Which one is better? Obviously, the second one is better. The first topic is not feasible because it is too broad to handle. It is vague and has nothing specific or original, so it can hardly arouse the interest of other scholars in the field. Actually, A beginner usually selects a too broad topic. To avoid the problem, we can first select a general topic and then narrow it to a smaller and workable one. There are 3 ways to narrow a topic. We may analyze the different components of the topic and pick one of them. 我们可以先分析所选主题包含哪方面的要素，然后呢，从这些要素中选择其一。For example, we have a broad topic, chemical process. We may pick up a component of the topic, improving chemical process. Then break down the topic into smaller variables and focus on one of them. Then we get role of oxygen in improving chemical process. Another way is to make use of the SOCR model. S stands for similarities, O for opposites, C for contrasts, R for relationships. By using this approach, we can base our essay on any one of the above aspects. For example, responses of alpines to climate warming, 高山植物对气候变暖的反应. As a topic, it is too broad. We may narrow it by contrasting the responses of different alpines to climate warming. 也就是说，我们可以通过对比不同高山植物对气候变暖的不同反应，使论文主题焦点更集中和深入。例如，高山草原和高山草甸对气候变暖的不同反应。Then the topic becomes differential responses of alpine steppe and alpine meadow to climate warming. A good way to narrow down a topic is to ask several smaller questions about the broad topic. Analyze the topic in terms of certain simple, straightforward questions, like who, when, what, where, why, and how. For example, we are interested in the distribution of natural Korean pines. Subject the topic to the smaller questions. Where can we conduct the research? And how can we do the research? 那通过提问 where 和 how 限定研究的范围和使用的方法。Then we get a better topic. Distribution of natural Korean pines in Baihe Forestry Bureau based on spatial models. In the following video, 3 students and I are going to adopt the 3 methods to narrow down 2 research topics. Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to narrow a topic. In your handouts, there are 2 topics. What do you think of them? Well, let's take a look at the first one, a study of gene.
I think the topic is too broad and general because you will never be able to cover all of the relevant information. The writer should choose one component of the study of gene, like genetic mutation.
That's a good idea. It is an interesting and feasible topic. A few days ago, I had written an article about infants with phenylketonuria, a kind of disease, genetic disorder. So if I were the writer, I would concentrate the study of genetic mutation on the infants with this disease.
Right, very good. Now you've selected one issue in the study of gene and restrict the study to one group of people. But to write about genetic mutation of infants with phenylketonuria, you still have a sea of data and material to handle. So now we may further narrow the topic by using a method we have learned. Ask questions about the topic, like when, where, how, and why.
So we may limit the study of infant genetic mutation to a certain place, like Yunnan, right?
Yes.
And we may collect the research data of a certain number of infants, like 500,000 infants, and within a certain period of time, such as 10 years or 15 years.
You have brilliant ideas. So now who can work out a better topic?
Let me give it a try. I would say a genetic mutation analysis of the 500,000 infants with phenylketonuria in Yunnan, China in 10 years.
Well done. That is an accurate and manageable topic because now the research focuses on one particular field, time, place, and a particular group of people. Then how about the second topic in your handout? Analysis of effects of materials on energy saving in buildings. There is the specific subject of study, the effects of materials on energy saving, and the research centers on the study of materials used in buildings.
But the topic is still too general. It will be hard to implement. I think first, we have to decide what kind of material we are going to study.
Good. In that way, the topic will be more focused. And we may also consider the SOCR model. Remember it?
Yeah. Similarities, opposites, contrast, and relationships.
Good. Very good. And we can base the essay on any one of these aspects. For example, we may make comparison or contrast.
We can make a comparison of the effects of different materials, such as phase change materials and insulation materials.
By asking questions on the topic, like where we can choose, like buildings in 5 typical cities to study.
Yeah, then the topic becomes...
I think comparative analysis of the effects of phase change materials and insulation materials on energy saving buildings located in 5 typical cities.
Great! You've done a good job. Well, thank you. Then let's call it a day. After choosing a topic, the collection and retrieval of relevant materials is to follow. In the next session, we are going to talk about ways of searching for literature. Thank you for watching. See you next time.